Hello, Holistretch fam. Welcome to a Holistretch video. My name is Frances Eve, and today I will lead you through a stretch routine to reduce stress in the body, mind, and spirit. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I will see you on the inside. Welcome back. We'll go ahead and start on our hands and knees and push back to a child's pose position. We'll go ahead and bring the fingers crossed and over the top of the head. So in this position, you're pressing the third eye or the pineal gland into your mat, using the pressure of the hands and interlacing the fingers to reduce pressure in the head. Take a nice deep breath, and we'll open the arms up. We'll go ahead and give ourselves just a little push up and then pushing ourselves back down to child's pose. Coming back up to the push up and then back down again. We'll do this about 10 times, pulling forward with the palms of the hands, inhaling chest down, and exhaling, pushing back down. Go ahead and do this on your own time, using your breath as your guide for how fast to go. Each time you come forward, you're opening up the chest, and each time you come back, you're opening up the scapula and the traps. A lot of us carry a lot of stress in the upper shoulders, the upper back, and the traps. This completely opens up that whole area, your rotator cuffs. Exhaling all the way out. Inhale. Pull forward. Exhale. Inhale. And out. On your last one, go ahead and rest down into the child's pose and bring your hands once again, returning to the top of your head, gently pressing your forehead into the mat. Letting the weight of the hands press down further onto the head, releasing that third eye, releasing all the stress from the forehead and the head space. Imagine your stress dropping down into the ground to be released. We'll go ahead and bring the arms out, fingertips on the mat to open up the arms, so arms are lifted up off the mat. This is a nice stretch for the shoulder, opening up the lats. And deep breaths. In here, opening up the rib space, the lungs. And we'll go ahead and bring ourselves up to sitting. We'll go ahead and sit cross-legged with our left leg in the front and bring your hands, fingers crossed to the outside of the left knee. As you push down with the left knee, we're going to go ahead and bring the left knee up to chest. So this is a resistance stretch here where we're pushing the knee down into the hands. And as you're pulling down, we're lifting up, squeezing up. This is nice to release stretch in the glutes and the hips on the left side. Pulling in the inhale and out on the exhale. And on your 10th one, go ahead and inhale, squeeze down, and then relax the arms. Uncurl the upper back, and we'll go ahead and switch sides. Right leg this time in the front. Go ahead and bring hands to the outside of the right knee, and we'll squeeze the knee up to chest. Pushing it down, squeezing up, and pushing down. Just like you did on the other side, creating resistance between the knee and the hands, contracting the glute muscle as you push down on the exhale. And when you're complete, go ahead and rest that leg down. We can go ahead and round over the opposite knee, and bowing down in reverence to the space you are in, being alive today and making a difference. Nice deep breath. Gentle exhale. And we'll go ahead and round the upper back up and see if you can cross that right ankle around the left knee. Once you've adjusted your posture, bring your hands up to the ears. And we'll inhale up, exhale down. Nice and straight spine, creating oxygen through the upper body. Gently bring the hands down, walk them out onto your fingertips, opening the shoulders, the back of the neck, and breathe. And coming back up, we'll go ahead and bring that right leg in front of the left. We'll go ahead and come to cross-legged position. And then scoop the left elbow underneath the right this time. We'll squeeze the arms up and squeeze them into each other for that resistance. Exhale, curling down. Inhale up, exhale down. Beautiful. When you are complete, we'll go ahead and bring the legs out in front of us, and we're going to come into reverse plank. So this is really great for a heart opening. We're going to inhale, squeezing the hips and chest up. Exhale, coming back down. Inhale, squeeze up. Exhale, down. Be mindful of your neck. You don't have to curl your neck under in this way. You can keep your chin pointed downwards if that feels easier for your body. Squeezing up, exhale down, creating a little momentum, little energy, a little fire to burn away anything that's been weighing down on your chest and shoulders today. Exhale out. And when you've done 10, we'll go ahead and curl your chest into your knees. And we'll squeeze here for a few moments. Go ahead and squeeze the knees into your chest so tightly, using your core muscles to make a tighter ball. This is nice for your nervous system to release. And exhale, we'll come into a spinal twist to end. Nice deep breaths, opening the spine, releasing the head and neck, and switch sides. Thank you guys so much for joining me on the stress relieving stretch. I hope you feel much more relaxed after the stretch routine. And go ahead and check out some more stretch videos. I'll see you in the next one. Feel free.